chat with between yourselves, no?
Saima, this Women's T20 Mumbai League is coming up. How excited are you for Mumbai women's cricket and for Indian women's cricket in general?
Actually, we were desperately waiting for this tournament to happen and काफ़ी टाइम से रुके थे कि अब ये टूर्नामेंट होगा एंड अभी फाइनली जहाँ मुंबई क्रिकेट ने अब अनाउंस किया है कि वी आर गेटिंग MPL, सो आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेयर्स विल बी गेटिंग a lot of new players especially will be getting a lot of opportunities to come and show and express their game and just understand their game as well.
Yeah, so you have had the experience of playing in international cricket. So how you think you can help the youngsters in this Mumbai Premier League women's cricket?
I think it's more about the mindset that I think I really want to share about, and when you have a pressure situation ahead of you, how you can bounce back from things that you can't control, and especially the new talents that the new generation that has been coming in. I think they're quite excited and they're quite excited to learn as well. So it will be really good to be a part of this.
You played for India in 24 and 25. How was that experience and what did you learn and how has that helped you now in your overall game?
I think,
being a fast bowler.
As a fast bowler, it's more about analyzing yourself and knowing your own game and the strategy, the analysis, and everything. How higher cricket it works on that level, and I think that helped me a lot. Like understanding the game and understanding what my bowling is and what can I do in certain situations, and it's about a growing mindset that initially helped me in international cricket.
Perhaps if this Mumbai Premier League women's cricket was there much earlier, do you think there would not have been a gap in your international career and you still would have had a continuous run in the international stage? Because you last played in 25 January and there is a slight there is a gap in between. You missed out on the all-important Women's World Cup which India won.
Yeah.
You think that would have helped had it been there, or how do you look at your overall growth?
I think since I made a debut for India, after that I've kept growing my game, and like initially all the team requirement keeps changing. So right now I'm working on my pace personally, and which helps me to there are a lot of changes that been going on in my bowling, and later on we've been playing for India consistently, and we're doing well for India as well. And recently we went to Australia in December, and
Yes.
That was the first time when A team defended the Australian team. So I think the Indian team is growing as well, and staying in that setup is more important. And I think just working hard and trying to get back.
Yeah, so who is the one who you looked up to, wanted to emulate that person, bowler, him or her? And have you had a chance to interact with him or her, and what was it like?
Initially when I started playing cricket, there were not much names around. So the first name that I heard was Jhulan Goswami, and later on after a couple of years I got to interact with her as well. I got to see her live bowling, and so later on interacting with her and getting few fast bowling camps under her, and her sharing all the experiences initially helped me a lot. And yes, I look a lot to Jimmy Anderson as well, and that is how I think Jhulan Goswami and Jimmy Anderson is one of the starting things that I did.
You have always wanted to become a fast bowler. When did you take up, and how was it in the initial stages? Now things are a lot better for women's cricket. How was it then? Did you have to go through some struggles, or what was it like?
Initially I used to play football,
Oh.
and after we had a college team, and there were
Which
few
one?
players. Rizvi College.
In Mumbai?
Yeah, in Mumbai.
Which college?
Rizvi College.
Rizvi, okay.
Yeah. So there were 9-10 players, and there were 4-5 players missing in the team. So they picked some players from football, some handball or volleyball, and they made a team finally because it was a new setup for the college as well. And I was part of that thing, and somebody just suggested me that start playing cricket. go for it. So I started playing cricket at the age of 18, and after that I just went for the trials, and I got selected for the under 19 probables as well. And so after that the journey started. Yes, I had to work hard and understand the game more. Just playing gully cricket was not enough at that time,
Right.
and initially I came to know about all the field position and everything that goes around the game, and from comparing from football to cricket, just that change just helped me, and representing India at this level was which is something that I'm really grateful for.
Did playing football help you in any way in cricket, or of course
No,
different games?
definitely it did, especially fitness wise. And playing football and cricket on and off was something that gave me a good ball judgment as well. I used to play tennis ball as well with my brother and my cousins. So it gave me a judgment. I knew that okay, all these things are basic, and so initially I had that ball judgment. I didn't have to start from the basics, but football definitely helped me in fitness, which I never felt like cricket was tougher than football, because fitness wise you get a lot of breaks in cricket. So yeah, football definitely helped me with fitness.
Now we have had the taste of international cricket. Now out of it, what should you be doing to get back to that level?
I think performance is something that is in our hand as a player. So performing every time that I get an opportunity at whatever level I play, and I think MPL is going to play a huge role with helping me understand my own game, and playing at Wankhede is a big thing. It is a special ground, and a lot of trophies for Mumbai cricket will be, on the way.
I think you got enough chances when you played for India, enough
Yes.
bowling chances. You were happy with what you did, or you thought you should have done much more better?
Yes, definitely. There are a lot of things that you can improve on, and yes, initially when you see that international level, you try to do a lot of things, different things, but I got selected for doing what I was doing for so many years. So keeping that in mind, keeping the things that are my strength, and working on them. And yes, the game is growing day by day. So according to the game requirement and situation, we need to grow our game as well. So as a bowler, definitely it is going to be tough. But yes, working hard is in my hand, and I'm only focusing on the things that I can control.
And your ultimate dream that you want to achieve, get to that position, what is it?
I think definitely playing World Cup for India, and making a good comeback, and I think playing that match winning thing where the team requires something and I do something special. So yeah, that is one of the reasons.
And may you achieve that, and may you last long in your second innings in international cricket.
Thank you so
All the best. God bless you.